The lavish interiors of a £274,000 a-week yacht that Rod Stewart and Penny Lancaster are enjoying a family summer holiday on have been revealed. The luxury 197-feet vessel, by the Italian shipyard Benetti, is currently traveling just off the coast of Elba Island in Italy with the British rocker, 77, and his wife Penny, 51, on board. Remarkable photos showcase the impressive features the yacht has to offer, including a spa, gym and outdoor cinema. St. David offers accommodation for up to 12 guests in 6 suites. There are up to 14 crew members on board to provide outstanding service on a charter. The boat is equipped with a luxury spa and a jacuzzi on the top deck, perfect for relaxing and soaking up the stunning scenery. It comes with a wide range of amenities including a fully equipped gym and tons of toys like wave runners, sea bobs, wakeboards and kayaks. The yacht can also be used as an exclusive party venue as it features a dance floor and large bar area. There is a huge lounge area and indoor dining area where staff serve guests breakfast, lunch and dinner. The lavish experience costs £274,000 per week to book on yacht charter fleet, plus expenses, to book, and guests can enjoy sights all across the Mediterranean. Hot spots during the summer include Amalfi Coast, Corsica, French Riviera, Ibiza, Mykonos, Sardinia, the Balearics. Penny and Rod have been pictured swimming alongside the luxury vessel before topping up their 10 on blue blow-up floats. The couple were joined by his daughters Kimberly, 42, Ruby, 35, and Renee Stewart, 30, on the family trip. Also joining them was his sons Sean, 41, and Liam Stewart, 27, as well as the children he shares with Penny, Aiden, 11, and Alistair, 16. Rod shares Kimberly and Sean with ex-wife Elena Stewart, Ruby with model ex Kelly Imberg, and Renee and Liam with ex Rachel Hunter. The family have keeping their social media followers up to date with their holiday antics on their Instagram pages. The singer, who is currently on a break from his North American tour, posed for a rare snap with his 7 children and wife Penny as they stood in front of a yacht in the harbor. Italy holds a special place in Rod's heart as he tied the knot with his beloved Penny in 2007 in La Cervara.